Good afternoon, my name is Will, as you know, and today we're going to be making herb marinated chicken breast. A few of the ingredients I'll be using today are going to be rosemary, basil, thyme, and a little bit of garlic here for taste. The recipe asks for 3 cloves, but I'll just be using 1 for this meal. Okay, so now that we've rinsed and minced each of the herbs, which again here are rosemary, basil, thyme, and garlic, and we've also added some onion too, just to go into the pan. Here, which has some unseasoned chicken. And essentially, once we add these ingredients, we're gonna let it all marinate for around 30 minutes to an hour. And then I'll show you how that looks afterwards. Ooh, smells pretty good.
What is it, man?
Herb chicken.
Herb chicken.
Okay. And we'll let this sit around about 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Make sure all of it is touched. Backyard now, cooking up the chicken. I actually live in a pecan orchard, just for a little fun fact. But yeah, the chicken is cooking pretty well. Smells good. The smell of the herbs are definitely standing out, and I really love that about it, because I feel like any other time I've grilled without using this amount of herbs, it really just didn't have that same type of, I guess, flavor that comes up like this. Of course, you get the same type of flavoring when you have like different seasonings on the chicken or whatever, or what might have you, but using these herbs, like, it has a very distinct smell to it, and I really like it. Got my temp on 250. Just for an accent to the chicken that's currently still out there cooking. I also made a cucumber mint water with Essentia, which is like a pH of 9.5. It's just another alkaline water, but it's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Yeah, the lemon really brings out the
Sets it
flavor.
off,
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah. I'm curious to see how Dad's gonna like it. But yeah, here's the final product. I would have videoed earlier, but you see me, I was just ready to eat this food. Very nice, very nice.